Welcome to HealthyHub Doc. Today, we're diving into some simple yet powerful health hacks that could save you thousands of dollars and improve your quality of life along the way. Stick around because these tips might just change the way you think about health and finances forever. Managing your health doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, a few small but smart adjustments to your daily routine can lead to substantial savings on medical bills, insurance premiums, and even everyday expenses. Let's explore how you can take charge of your well-being while keeping your finances intact. When it comes to healthcare costs, the numbers can be staggering. A single unexpected medical emergency can disrupt your financial stability, and high insurance premiums often feel like a necessary evil. Add to that the expense of unhealthy lifestyle habits, such as dining out frequently or relying on processed convenience foods. And it's easy to see why so many struggle to make ends meet. Unfortunately, these financial pressures can lead to tough decisions. It's heartbreaking when people are forced to choose between paying essential bills and accessing the healthcare they need. Beyond the financial toll, this stress can negatively impact mental and emotional health. It's time to turn the tide. By adopting a few practical strategies, you can regain control over both your health and your budget. One of the easiest and most impactful hacks to save money is meal prepping. Think about it. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you're not only reducing the temptation to splurge on expensive takeout, but you're also making healthier choices overall. This simple practice can lead to fewer trips to the doctor and lower medical expenses in the long run. Plus, you'll save time during your busy week, freeing up moments to focus on other priorities. Exercising at home is another game changer. Gym memberships can be costly, and they often come with hidden fees or add-ons. By creating a home workout routine, you're cutting out these expenses entirely. Whether it's following a YouTube yoga class, going for a run, or investing in basic equipment like resistance bands, exercising at home is convenient, cost-effective, and incredibly empowering. Plus, you avoid the additional costs of trendy smoothies or supplements often marketed at gyms. Preventative care is a cornerstone of long-term savings and health. Regular checkups, vaccinations, and screenings may seem like upfront expenses, but they can help catch potential issues before they become serious and costly. Think of preventative care as an investment in your future. By taking care of your health proactively, you're reducing the likelihood of hospital stays, chronic disease management, or emergency treatments, all of which can quickly drain your savings. Speaking of investments in your future, let's talk about one of the most impactful hacks: prioritizing self-care and mental health. Managing stress and maintaining emotional well-being isn't just good for your soul, it's also great for your wallet. Stress and anxiety often lead to physical health problems, which can result in pricey doctor visits, medications, and even therapy. By addressing your mental health proactively, you're taking a holistic approach to wellness that pays dividends over time. Here's a personal story that highlights the importance of self-care. A few years ago, I was juggling a high-stress job and personal challenges that left me feeling overwhelmed. I found myself relying on expensive therapy sessions and medications, yet my anxiety persisted. That's when I decided to incorporate self-care practices into my daily routine. Meditation, journaling, and yoga became my go-to tools for managing stress. The transformation was remarkable. Not only did my mental health improve, but I also saved thousands of dollars by reducing my reliance on external treatments. Now, before we continue, if you're enjoying these tips, take a moment to subscribe to HealthyHub Doc. We're committed to bringing you actionable advice to improve your health and lifestyle, so hit that subscribe button and stay connected. Let's move on to another key area where you can save big: building healthy habits that reduce dependency on medications. Simple lifestyle changes, such as adopting a balanced diet and staying physically active, can significantly lower your risk of chronic conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease. These changes can translate to substantial savings on prescription costs over time. For example, swapping sugary snacks for fruits or vegetables not only improves your health but also saves money. Processed snacks are often more expensive than fresh produce. Similarly, cutting back on sugary beverages and opting for water or homemade teas can drastically reduce your monthly grocery bill while keeping you hydrated and energized. One overlooked yet highly effective way to save is by prioritizing sleep. Poor sleep is linked to a range of health issues, from obesity to weakened immune function. Investing in quality rest, by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a calming bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment, can improve your overall health and reduce the need for costly medical interventions. Another area to focus on is reducing your reliance on over-the-counter remedies. While it's convenient to grab a bottle of painkillers or cold medicine, many minor health issues can be managed with natural remedies and preventative measures. For example, staying hydrated, eating a nutrient-rich diet, and managing stress effectively can bolster your immune system, reducing the frequency of colds and minor ailments. Additionally, cultivating mindfulness can play a significant role in maintaining both mental and physical health. Mindfulness practices, such as deep breathing exercises or gratitude journaling, help lower stress levels and improve focus. By practicing mindfulness regularly, you can reduce the risk of stress-induced health issues, potentially saving money on related healthcare costs. Community support can also be a game changer. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who prioritize health and wellness can provide the motivation and encouragement needed to stick to your goals. Many communities offer free or low-cost health-focused events, such as group walks, yoga sessions, or cooking classes. Participating in these activities can foster a sense of belonging while helping you stay on track with your health journey. Another often overlooked strategy is learning to negotiate medical bills. Many healthcare providers are willing to discuss payment plans or even reduce charges for those who ask. Being proactive about your medical expenses by communicating openly with providers can make a big difference in your financial well-being. Finally, consider leveraging technology to stay healthy and save money. There are numerous free or low-cost apps available that can help you track your fitness goals, manage your diet, or even meditate. These digital tools make it easier than ever to maintain a healthy lifestyle without the need for expensive programs or memberships. To wrap things up, let's recap the key takeaways from today's discussion. By meal prepping, exercising at home, prioritizing preventative care, focusing on mental health, building healthy habits, improving sleep, cultivating mindfulness, leveraging community support, negotiating medical bills, and using technology, you can save thousands of dollars while enhancing your overall well-being. Small changes can lead to big results. It's all about taking that first step. Thank you for spending your time with HealthyHub Doc. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on how to live a healthier, happier life without breaking the bank. See you in the next video.